Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna check out top 3 best mechanical keyboards. Starting at number 3. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. The Corsair K95 RGB Platinum is one of the few keyboards melting the hearts of many users. It boasts customizable RGB lights, detachable wrist rest, and programmable macro keys. The Corsair K95 is another impressive programming and coding keyboard on the market. It boasts a unique build quality and responsiveness that's unbelievable for a keyboard at this price point. You can also detach the wrist rest with ease. Just push it upward, and it will pop off. This keyboard's Cherry MX brown switches are one of a kind. The switches' short pre-travel distances make them feel lighter and highly responsive while typing. The Cherry MX brown switches don't produce a loud sound as most switches do, so they are literally fit to use in a quiet work environment. You can't list the best mechanical keyboards for coding or programming with macros and not include the Corsair K95 in the group. This keyboard is built to last and withstand long hours of use. The padded wrist rest makes it more convenient to use, and you can even customize each key's colors. Check out the description for more information and latest price. Coming at number 2. Razer Black Widow Elite Mechanical. The Razer Black Widow Elite is everything you need an elite mechanical keyboard to be. It boasts programmable macro keys, beautiful backlights, and other highlighted features only premium quality keyboards have. The Razer Black Widow Elite is a versatile keyboard, built for convenience and increased productivity. This keyboard boasts programmable macro keys, which offer several productivity-related benefits. It lets you assign custom actions to diverse keys. A reliable keyboard that supports over 80 million clicks, the Razer Black Widow Elite comes built with top military-grade material that ensures durability. Even when you drop it on the floor accidentally, you can pick it back up in one piece. The backlights are super bright, and it makes pressing the keys in low light conditions a breeze. You can also program the lights to suit whatever game you're playing, or any color of choice. This gorgeous mechanical keyboard boasts a magnetic wrist rest, which maximizes comfort and makes working extended hours effortless. The Black Widow Elite is one of the best budget mechanical keyboards for coding and programming. Precision, responsiveness, and accuracy are what premium quality programming, coding, or gaming keyboard shouldn't lack. Razer is fully aware of this, as it seems, because the Black Widow Elite has these qualities. And number 1 of this list. DAS Keyboard 4 Professional. With its super premium look, build quality, and robust features, the exceptionally reliable DAS Keyboard 4 Professional makes it top choice for work-related tasks and gaming. The DAS Keyboard 4 boasts a standard-looking design, yet it doesn't lack in quality. It features keycaps made with high-grade ABS plastic. The figures and letters on this mechanical keyboard's keycap surfaces are laser-etched to ensure they don't fade away that easily. Under the DAS Keyboard 4 keycaps lie the high-performing Cherry MX brown switches. The switches boast a unique tactile feel and don't get overly clicky, thanks to the soft pressure point technology. The Cherry MX brown switch lends equal performance to gaming and other work-related tasks, which involves typing. Dedicated media control and volume knob make this mechanical keyboard more convenient for users. With the media control, you can pause, play, mute, or next any multimedia content. With the Cherry MX brown key switches, rugged build quality, and other outstanding features, the DAS Keyboard 4 is clearly a top choice for programmers, coders, and gamers. This keyboard also has a blazingly fast USB 3.0 hub that lets you transfer documents and multimedia files at lightning speed. All of these items are available on Amazon. I have included all the links in the description. You can check out these links for more information and latest price. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button below, share with your friends, and be sure to subscribe.